In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Netflix on MacBook. So let's get started. Now, there is no official Netflix app for macOS, so you cannot download Netflix from the Mac App Store. However, there are workarounds that you can use to get an app-like experience, okay? And we're gonna go over that in this video. Now, obviously, first of all, you can just go to netflix.com, and if you wish, you can just sign in and start watching on the browser. But since we're talking about an app-like experience, that is also possible, okay? Now, first we're gonna look at how this works in Chrome, and then we're gonna go to Safari and try there as well. So just go ahead and click on the three dots once you're on the Netflix webpage. From here, go over to Cast, Save, and Share, and then you're gonna click on this option, Install Page as an App. Now, once you click on that, you're gonna see this option. You can just obviously name it Netflix and just click on install, okay? Now, this is what's gonna happen. Now, I have this app right here, which is under Chrome apps. I can obviously drag this. So, just like that. Or I could just go to my Launchpad and search up Netflix. I can enter it. I'm going to click on this first. Okay, it opened. Now I can just right click on it, go on options and keep in dock. Okay, now I could just close it. And let's say I open my laptop and I want to watch Netflix. I could just click on this and there you go. My Netflix is open. And as you can see, it's exactly like an app. Like it has all the Netflix stuff. The name is the same. It looks like an app. So yeah, you can easily make it like an app. You can see it has its own logo. Now, if you're talking about Safari, you can go to Safari, obviously search up netflix.com. Now, once you're here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make this screen small. So I'm just gonna make it like that. Then I'm gonna drag the thing. So I'm gonna drag Netflix like that, and I'm gonna put it right there next to the trash bin, okay? Not here, but next to the trash bin. And there you go. Now this thing is stuck there. Now if I close it and I open it, it's gonna open. One thing I'll show you. If I click on this, it's gonna open Netflix for me on Brave. But the reason it's open for you guys, it might be Safari, so it's obviously gonna open it right there, whatever your main browser is. So you get the idea on how you can do it on Safari or Google Chrome. I personally recommend doing it with Google Chrome because it looks way cleaner. As you guys can see, it's exactly like an app, even though it's not an app. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.